But the really cool part is that if he goes on the chair,
oh.
see, the block just fell. Yes. That. Then he'll it's really cool because his body hits right here. See, look. And then this one just slowly moves back. There's a little room over here. He's kind of stuck. Put this tube right here. He's going in the tube. He's stuck. Will he crawl in? He's crawling in. He gets in. Let's see if he can push the tube to push out. But if he pushes out, he's still in the tube. Let's see. Still going. It's making progress. I can't believe it's doing this. This is so crazy. He's going, he's going, he's slowly moving. He's slowly moving out the building, but out the house. But he's still basically contained and safe because the bottle, he's in there, and so he can't run around and be free. He's rolling over like a dog. I think it's kind of amusing. But you guys might think it's boring because you guys have up. Okay, it's off the table now. But it's